Right. We have already discussed how to select a template and design, and then we have done small animation part. Also, we have added like so we learn how to add different type of slides, and then about designing a slide. So let's change the slide design today that we will learn, and also we want to learn about inserting pictures. Actually, we learned inserting shapes. We have to insert in multimedia. We learned inserting tables. We have to, and also we need to discuss about slide like adding and removing, hiding, and reordering the slides. So that is what we are going to do today. Right. Okay. Tania. Right. Tania, I think you have sent this to me earlier, right? So most of you have sent me.
Yes, sir.
So did I ask you to modify the animation?
Yes, sir. This is the modified one, sir.
I can remember. Right. Others, so others, I think he has done very good work. He has done very good work actually. So you can just go through that. Then you can send it to the others also, send it to the slide, send it to the chat. Then others can also go through that. It's a very good example. I think others have to do that, right? So those who couldn't do must do that, because that is a practical skill. And let's start slide design today. Okay, if you want to design your own template, then you have to go to the master template and edit that, right? But that part is not there in your book. So if you want to edit a template, you can do that by creating a master template. So this is how we can create a master template. So let's open PowerPoint. And meanwhile, let's focus on your lesson note also. So till it's opening. Okay, so up to now we have discussed up to the slides. Here's the lesson. Okay, the presentation is already open. Let's see whether is there any missing notes to be written. Okay, that is also loading. Right, let's go to the slide. Right, let me take a blank presentation. You can also take a blank presentation in your computer. So we are going to add a custom design to that by editing a design template. Regarding the note, we have done this part using Word, then we started PowerPoint, and we did, so we finished Scratch part also, then the PowerPoint lesson. I think yes, next week we can start the new lesson, right? Okay, yes, I think we have finished.
Excuse me, sir. We didn't finish the bugs part in the programming thing.
Yeah, that I can remember. I think I said that we will be doing that with the workbook, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The workbook part, actually, we have to do the programming workbook, then come to the presentation workbook. Workbook part, that's a remaining lesson. Okay, let's finish the chapter now. I think you written this note, right? Creating templates in PowerPoint? No.
No, sir.
That is the part remaining today. This part we have finished. Different and similarities in books and presentations.
No, sir.
No or yes?
No, sir.
We have not written any note. Is that?
Yes, sir. No, not on PowerPoint. Only the starting part.
Only the starting part, this part. how to open
Yes, sir.
and all, right? Okay. Right, this part, only this part, right? Only this part, actually, the views and all. Then I'll give that part, don't worry. I'll give that part and the last part today. Okay, let's go and design the template now. Right, in the template creating part, Pute, so first of all, you have to go to the view. After taking this view, then please click on slide master. In the view, please click on slide master. And when you go to the slide master view, you can see all the kind of templates. So here, the first one is the title and the text. The second one is title only. The third one is title and text and header footer styles. Here, another title style. This is actually title and so just comparison, right? Comparison slides. So title, again, comparison slides. And here, title only slide again, a blank slide. And you can see this is like, here you can include either graph or chart. This part is for the title and for some text. So these are called different layouts. So you can see how many layouts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layouts, 11 layouts there. With the main one, it's 12 layouts, right? So the layouts will be automatically, layouts can be automatically adjustable, right? Basuru, yes, if you want to, so you ask question, you want to type singular letters in PowerPoint. Sandaru has given the answer, very good. So it is, you have to download Helakuru. So then you can type singular in PowerPoint, correct. Right, you can go to the helakuru.com and download that. Okay, so let's see. So let's go to the beginning. We are in the home and we have taken a new tab, new slides. Then you have to go to the view and then select slide master. Master view is the place where we want to, master view is the place where we are going to edit the slide template. Template and layout. What's the difference? Template and layout. What is the difference between template and layout, Pute? You don't know. Okay. Template mainly focusing about the design, right? Template mainly focusing about the design, right? Layout is organization of the content, right? Layout means organization of the content. You can write down that as a short note there. Actually, you said that you have not written this part also, right? So please write down this also. These are actually different views in PowerPoint. So let's write the heading. Views and usages in PowerPoint. Then write this part and then compare the similarities of the presentation and book. So after that, please write today's note. Actually, this is a past note which I couldn't give, right? But so here actually it's comparing about the textbook and PowerPoint. So in book you have pages, in PowerPoint you have slides. What they pages wage tama PowerPoint wala slides. We can like turn the pages in the book, but we have to transit between the slides. Transition is there to move between the slides. We can display the pages. We can show the pages to others. Similar to that, we can present the slide show to the others. The only difference is, unlike the book, we can edit PowerPoint several times. So that is the advantage. PowerPoint can be edited several times. Book එකක් edit කරන්න බෑනේ ගොඩක් වෙලා. ඔය PowerPoint edit කරන්න පුළුවන් ගොඩ සැරයක්. හරි, that is the main difference. Okay, so let's write down this. And also write down the difference between So layout. Layout means how content are arranged. How content are arranged is called layout. Template. Template means the design. Or the
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, you mean to write that differences and similarities in books and presentations?
Yes, you have to write from the beginning. Views and usages, then the views, then difference and similarities of books and presentation, then the layout part. Okay, everything from top to bottom, everything. Layout, how contents are arranged, and template design of the slides. Okay, please write down. And discuss how this template is created. When you go to the new slide and then when you go to view button and then you have to access slide master. Then you can design the slides. Maybe let's say you want to add a picture. Then do it as usual. Go to insert, then picture, picture from file, and let's insert a picture. I'm inserting this one. Okay, that you can place like this, the full screen, then set it as the background, send to back and send to back. And since it is a background picture, don't give much emphasis. You can just make it transparent like this. So go to transparency and control the transparency level. Otherwise, the text will not be visible. That's why I asked you to put a transparency level. So this would be good. Still not clear. So let's add this transparency or the middle level transparency. Now the background is set. You can see the first template is edited. So if you want, you can apply different templates to the other things, or you can copy and paste that. Okay, now the background is set. And the next thing is, you can include the, here you can see the footer. This is actually the number this is footer. Footer, you can write any name. Let's say I'm going to write something like this, copyright Dasun Nilanjana. So this will appear in every page. When you write this copyright Dasun Nilanjana, something like this will appear in every page. You can type your one. How to write the copyright symbol? Copyright symbol can be written bracket open C bracket close. So that will automatically convert that to the copyright symbol. If it is not converted, please tell me. Then you have to insert as a symbol. Insert, then go to symbol, and from that you can insert the copyright symbol. There are some emojis. Just search copyright. Here, the copyright symbol is there. This is another way of inserting by insert symbol.
Sir, what is a copyright?
Copyright means like it belongs to, the content belongs to this person. It says this is your creation. This belongs to you. If anyone want to copy, need to get your permission. That is the meaning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finish doing this. Then if you feel add any shape, maybe let's say let's add a shape also. I'm going to add this shape. I'll draw shape here. And I'll change the color to green color maybe. Outline color, I don't need any color, no outline. Oh, I can put a white color outline maybe. Okay, likewise, let's increase the size of this a little. Okay, this is like, so this will also be appeared in every page. Whatever the designing, shapes that you are putting, and let's put another design, another one. I'm going to insert another shape. This time a rectangle, and I'll add rectangle there in the corner and change the shape fill, outline color.
Excuse me, sir, I cannot get transparency adjustment in my PowerPoint.
In pictures.
Yes, sir.
Can you go to the picture? Which version you are using?
2016, sir.
16 version is available now. Okay, let me see. I'll check, right? Okay, likewise here I have added, now picture is added, some shapes are added. Even shape can be transparent here. So you can go to the shape format and make it transparent. Shape fill. Gradients can be added to the shape fill. Textures can be added to the shape fill. A lot of things are there. So similar to what we did last in Word. Okay. Let's, I'm not going to edit the second format. I'll edit only the first format. That is enough for me. Now I have done some formatting and let me proceed. Let's keep like this and let me proceed. I'm going to close the view after that. And slide size also you can decide, right? Either standard size or here, this is standard. Or if you need the other one, just undo and you have the wide format. You can decide whether you want to have standard or wider. Okay, after that, close this. Just close this. Okay, then you will get this format. When you play this, and you can see that empty format is there. Right. When you add a new slide, when you press enter, another new one is added. That will not get that format. Don't worry, because I have only edited the title slide. So if I want to edit the other slides, I have to go to the master view and edit that. From the master, I have to edit the second one. Maybe I can add the same background, copy and paste it here. Okay, that's enough. Let's close it. And now we can see the second one is also getting that appearance. The first one is also getting, the second one is also getting the appearance. And you can go to the insert and then you can say header and footer. Maybe the footer only. Let's apply to all, and you can see the footer section is. So anything that you can enter. Okay, who said that you cannot add transparency? Can you share your screen, please? Those who said that you cannot add transparency, can you share your screen quickly? Stay near. Okay. Artistic effects. No, you don't have. Go to the picture effects. Picture effects. No, picture effects. No, picture effects. There's a menu item called picture effects. Picture effects. Under that, can you see? No, it's for the preset shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges. No, not that. It's not there. Let's go to the remove background is there. Color corrections. Please go to the corrections. Picture correction options, please. Picture correction options. Here, can you see sharpness, brightness, contrast? Picture color, saturation. Saturation, can you reduce? Then it will make like it's black and white, right? Okay. Why is not there? Go to the color. From color, here set transparent color. No. That is not the one. Under color, I saw that set. Yes. Click on that. You can only put the part, right? Part of that transparent.
Yes, sir.
Undo that. Again, go to the color effects. And this version is like a little bit odd. Picture color option, it is not more variations. Still not there, right? Okay, I think you have to maybe recolor or color tone changes, or like use that to maybe give some less brightness, less contrast, less brightness and less contrast. So less brightness. Go to the picture correction options. From there you can set picture correction options. Underneath menu item, underneath of this picture correction options, read this. Color picture correction options on there. Contrast reduce the contrast. Reduce drastically contrast. Brightness brightness contrast brightness reduce the contrast, increase the brightness. Here you can use the transparent effect. So that is the option, I guess. Since you don't have the transparency, you have to reduce the contrast and increase the brightness. Then the picture visibility will be low. Okay, so let's go back to the. Okay, now you can see. Likewise, you can create any slide background, anything is possible. You can create your own template, right? And you can maybe add your headings, everything there, and that will be repeated. So let's say if you want to add something like this. So I'm going back to the master view, and there I'm adding here, just removing this one, and instead of that, I'm just adding another shape like this, and this one I'm going to write www. www. So let's say insert again. I'm adding edit text www.gicts.lk. I'm adding something like that. And shape color, just removing this one, no need of line, just shape color is there, and then the border color I'm removing, no outline. Okay, let's say you add it like this, then you can see in each and every slide, not in the second template, second format also you have to add that, sorry, it's my mistake. That means the second layout also this one. For that also you have to add that. Then each slide will get that format. When you press enter, a new slide, but still that it's total. Okay. Every slide will get that, and see that you cannot edit that. It's there as a background. You can't edit that normally here. So because it is embedded to the template now. Embedded template එකට ඇතුළත් වුණාට පස්සේ ආයේ ඒක මෙතනින් edit කරන්න බෑ. master එකට ගිහලා තමයි edit කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම similar to that, if you want to, let's say you went to another design, something like this, then it will be automatically adjusted according to that, because master view is edited. You can see all these designs. Here in any design, you will see that the background and all. Okay, if you don't want that, so let's select something, some another thing. You don't want that, and you are taking a new file, new presentation, and you don't want that, the presentation that we have created, and you go to the design and you have applied some design like this. Let's assume something like this. You have applied design like this. Then also you can go to the master view and edit this design here. So these are the designs. These designs can be edited. If you don't like this, so you can just edit this. The border I don't want. So likewise, I need full page. For the border, I just need to reduce the size. Border size I need to reduce. Here, you can see. Or border, I just want to remove that border. I don't want the border. Then it will look like this. Here also I don't need the border again. I'm going to remove the border section. And the number color here, you can see this is the color for number. I'm removing that also. Here also I'm removing that. Likewise, I can edit this. The original templates also I can edit and use add as I wish. Then when I close that, the original template will be affected. The original template එක edit කරන්නත් පුළුවන් අපිට. අලුත් template එකක් හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. design එකක් හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඒ හදන template එකට ඕන layout එකක් අපිට apply කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. And the final part. So let's say you have few slides in your slideshow. Let me open the slide that we have created last day. Okay, here you can see there are few slides here. And I just want to delete. I just want to move some slide up. No, I just want to move to the beginning. I can click on the slide sorter view, this one, and then I can click and drag to the first one. So likewise, I can change the position here. I need it here. I need to move this way. I need to move no first and yes then. Likewise, I can move and change the position of the slides. Click and drag. Here also, here also you can click and drag to change the position, place. And if you want to copy and paste the slide, here you can copy, right click, copy, and then Control V. So that will add another copy of that slide. So see how easy that is. No need to select everything. You can just right click and copy, then right click and paste. Right? No need to copy everything. The මේ පැත්තේ අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔක්කොම select කරලා copy කරන්න එපා word වල වගේ. එහෙම ඕනේ නැහැ. Slide එක පිටින්ම you can copy and paste using the slide. Slide you can right click and delete. And also you can hide. Hidden slides are visible here in the design, but hidden slides are not visible in the slideshow view. Right? Hidden slides are visible in the design view, but hidden slides are not visible in the slideshow view. Slideshow එකක් විදිහට ගියාම අපිට මේ hidden slide පේන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි this edit එකේදී මේ වගේ cross එකක් එක්ක hidden slides පේනවා. When you hide slide, it will be visible there. Okay. Do you have any question related to this? We already discussed about the slides. We already discussed about adding slides, removing slides, deleting slides, moving slides, copy and pasting slides. Cut and pasting slide means moving slides, deleting slides, and hiding slides. So that is the last part of your lesson. Moving slides, hiding slides. That's all. You don't have even copy, deleting slides, it's there. Copying, hiding, moving, deleting. Yes, we have done that as well. And the last part, we have to write this note also. About the template. That is what we learned today. How do we create a template? Create in template in PowerPoint. Please write down that as well.